Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you LinkedIn Insight Tag 2 or Pixel conversion API for purchase event for browser and also the server side. So let's get started. I am now logging in my LinkedIn account. So firstly you have to log in your LinkedIn account, then go to the advertise. And you can also set up a ad account for LinkedIn Insight 2 tag conversion API. So I am already creating ad account. I hope you can understand how to create the ad account for LinkedIn. So I'm just clicking it. And in the left side, we can see the lots of options. You have to hover over in analyze and click it and find out the options. Here you can see the source, conversion tracking, single manager, website actions. From that, we are go to the conversion tracking, then click on create conversion. Here you have three options. One is inside tag conversion, that is for the browser side int, and conversion API for server side int. So firstly, you have to create the browser side int. So for that, we go to inside tag conversion. Here you have to put the name of your event, which event you have to track for LinkedIn conversion API. So I am already told you today I am setting the purchase event. So I am just type the purchase for name. Secondly, define the key conversion behavior you want to track. Here LinkedIn provide the options. You can find out the your event name. Here you can see that purchase, and LinkedIn also provided the all of event type. You can check it out. So in my case, I am tracking purchase, so that I am selecting the purchase. And here you have to put your value conversion type. That is not a mandatory, because you can see that shows the optional. And click 30 days, view 30 days. It depends on you. You have to increase it 90 days according to your business goal or ads goal. View will be also increased for your need. And then here is the two option. One is each campaign and then last campaign. I'm selecting the each campaign for it. Then after the completing the process, I am go to the next step. And also here find out the three option website action. If you selecting that, then your website is open in down on below, and you have to track the actions from it. Manual conversion you can also set up by manually, but today I am setting by the tag manager. So I am selecting the tag manager. After selecting that, we have to already find out a partner ID that also we have to use. So I'm copy the partner ID for use, and then after you scroll it, find out the three options. I am select the event specific, because today I am set up conversion API for the purchase events. So I'm selecting the event specific. Here also find out the conversion ID. So just I am using this code, then I am go to the next step. So for that, I am go to the Google Tag Manager. That is my Google Tag Manager browser container. I hope you can understand how to create a GTM container and also the browser and server container. If you do not yet, you can check it my channel. I have provided the lots of video, and from here you can find out how to create Google Tag Manager account and container. So I am go to the new account and tag configurations, and we are trying to find out the LinkedIn template, but we do not find out any LinkedIn template from it. Just you see that LinkedIn Insight, but I am digging the more. So for that, I am just go to the template gallery. So I am searching LinkedIn Insight tag. You can see that LinkedIn Insight tag 2.0, that is our desired tag template. So that I am adding this template in my GTM container. So add to workspace and finally click the add. You can see that our LinkedIn Insight tag 2.0 are attached with our tag. So here we can see the partner ID. So we are already see that in the LinkedIn, we are already see that partner ID. So we are back to our LinkedIn ads platform and copy the partner ID and back to our Google Tag Manager, paste the partner ID and also for the conversion ID, we again go to our LinkedIn Ads Manager sections and find out the conversion ID. Here you can see the conversion ID for Google Tag Manager. From that, we are copy the conversion ID and back to our Google Tag Manager browser container, paste it, and then customer URL override is not necessary for the event ID. We need to create a variable for the event ID. So for that, we're clicking the plus sign. Also click the plus sign, variable configuration, find out the event ID. We do not here find out the event ID. So for that, we are go to the template gallery and also search the event ID. You can see the event ID, click it, add to workspace, and finally click the add. So you can see that our event ID adding with our variable type section, just giving the variable name, that is event ID. Save it. So now we are go to the triggering option. For the triggering, we have to add a trigger for purchasing. So click it and also click the plus sign, trigger configuration, custom event, and here we have put the purchase event. So for that, we back to tag assistant, and in the left side you have to see the event. You can see the purchase event. So I am just copy the event from the tag assistant, because if you have any kind of spelling mistake, then your tag is not working properly. So that I am copy from that and back to Google Tag Manager, paste it, and finally giving the trigger name, that is event purchase. Save it. So finally we have to giving the tag name, that is LinkedIn inside tag for purchase. Save it. I am just completing the LinkedIn inside tag for purchase event. Now back to our LinkedIn ads interface. Here we are go to the next step, and also that will be automatically generated according to your event. So for that we have to click the create. See, you can see that our purchase event is already listed in our LinkedIn Ads Manager. You can see that is unverified, but if your event are coming from your website, then that will be activated very soon. Now time to testing our LinkedIn Insight tag for purchase event are working for not. So for that, I am go to the preview option for check it out. But before, you have to adding Pixel Helper for LinkedIn for Chrome extension. So I am already installed it. If you do not yet, then you go to the Chrome extension to adding this extension for more testing your event is perfectly working or not. So in my case, I'm just go to the preview option, connect. You can see that our tag assistant connected with our website. So just to open a product page, add to cart. Our desired event is purchase, so we are trying to reach to the purchase event, and then check out. And finally our desired event is place an order, so we are just click it, and you can see that our LinkedIn Pixel Helper already showing the one. That means our purchase event are showing here. So we back to our tag assistant, continue. You can see that our LinkedIn inside tag for purchase are fired perfectly. If you see that, the tag is fired. So set up purchase event for LinkedIn conversion API. Now for the browser side, time to create for the server side. For the server side tagging, we are go to the create conversion, and now click the conversion API, and name will be the just to giving the name purchase, and you have to do the is more specific, so that I am also adding the as, that means server side, and find out the event name as it is. You can find out the purchase from here. In the sales sections, you can find out the purchase event. Here you can see the purchase event, click it, and that is optional, but we are giving it, that is USD, and 90 days, and view will be the 90 days. The all are setup are same. Just to go to the next step, and here we are using the Google Tag Manager for create a purchase event. So click it and continue. That will be also providing the logging process. LinkedIn will be the synchronized with your main account. So for that, showing my account details, I am just selecting it and continue. And also click the continue. Your account, so I'm selecting it, and here you have to web container and also the server container, which I am creating on my Google Tag Manager. So I'm just selecting the my web container, and then workspace will be the default workspace, and selecting the existing server will be the my server container name, and then server container workspace will be the default workspace. So here you can see the Google Analytics 4 measurement ID. So I'm going to again our Google Analytics GA4, copy the measurement ID and back to our LinkedIn ads platform and paste the measurement ID. And tagging server URL will be our first party domain or custom domain URL. We are created by the step.io. So if you do not how to create the first party domain or custom domain by using of step.io, I will provide the link on the description box. You can check it out from it. So I'm just copy the custom domain name from step.io and back to our LinkedIn Ads Manager and paste it. An existing ticker will be the event purchase. We are already creating this event purchase trigger. And token, for token you can see that generate token here. We just click it and we can find out the access token. So copy the token and paste it here and then go to the next step, and that also create automatically. So create, you can see that already our purchase event are activated from the browser side in, and that event are for the server side int. So our purchase event are completely set up with for the server side in. You can see that automatically tag is generated in our LinkedIn browser container because all data I am already provided in my LinkedIn event manager. So you can see that user data event ID conversion rule ID already generated by the LinkedIn Ads Manager. And if you back to the our server container, you can see that the tag is automatically generated by the LinkedIn Ads Manager because I'm already told you already each and every information I am providing in the purchase event. You can see that purchase event, so that will be automatically generated in the server container as well as the browser container. So I am all done. Just time go to the preview options and check out that our event is working perfectly for the server side int or not. So that we are go to the preview option, continue, and go to our website. You can see that our tag assistant connected with our website. So I'm go to my desired event, which is purchase. So that is my purchase event. So back to our tag assistant, you can see that our purchase event is working perfectly. That is our purchase event. That is our purchase event are fired. Now we back to server side container tag assistant. Here you can see that our purchase event also fired perfectly, and if you and then go to the purchase event and see that our tag is fired, and select the purchase event and go to the request. You can see that 200, that means our tag is perfectly sending the data outgoing 200 and incoming 200. So if you select the incoming SST request, you can also see that our all of data are receiving perfectly. Now back to our LinkedIn Ads Manager, you can see that our purchase event are activate this event for the server side int, and that is an event specific tag is for the browser side int. So we are successfully set up LinkedIn Insight Tag or Pixel Conversion API for purchase event both server and browser by using a Google Tag Manager. So thanks for watching this video. We'll see in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.